Today we are solving a nice math Olympiad question. Question looks bit confusing, but we will end up with simple and easy answer. Our question is 8 power 2 by 3 into 8 power 3 by 4 is equal to 2 power x by 4. 90% of the people cannot able to solve this problem. But we can do it now. Here the left side terms the bases are equal and we should add the powers. Then we get as 8 power 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 2 power x by 4. Now take LCM in powers terms. Now we get as 8 power 8 plus 9 by 12 is equal to 2 power x by 4. Now we get as 8 power 17 by 12 is equal to 2 power x by 4. So now 8 we can write it as 2 power 3. Then we get as 2 power 3 whole power 17 by 12 is equal to 2 power x by 4. We know that x power r whole power b is equal to x power r b. 12 in the denominator we can write it as 3 into 4. 3 and 3 will be cancelled out. Then we get as 2 power 17 by 4 is equal to 2 power x by 4. Then x is equal to 17, so we have got the answer. Thanks for watching. If you want more interesting problems like this, don't forget to subscribe.